Hello. In this video, I'm going to review the All Pivot Points indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator simulates the chart for us using the most well-known methods of finding pivot points, as well as various support and resistance levels, and we can use those pivot points and these support and resistance lines on the chart.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Let's go through the settings of this indicator together. The first option is the pivot point calculation method, which includes 4 types: Classic, Camarilla, Woodie, and Fibonacci. We can use any of these methods based on our needs. The next option is the calculation period for the pivot point, where we can choose from daily, hourly, weekly, or monthly. It calculates the pivot points based on that same time frame. The next option, if set to a no, determines the number of periods. Here, for example, it's set to 10, so it will display the pivot points and their support and resistance levels for as many periods as you specify, like 10 days if it's set to 10. But if it's set to yes, it will only show the current day that we're in. This option displays them with long lines, while the first option only shows the current day with short lines. For example, I'll test this option. It only displays the pivot point and the support and resistance lines for the current day with short lines. The next option shows the same lines but with long lines. And the last option, which is the no, also displays the previous days. The next option lets you specify the number of days or periods for which you want to have these pivot point support and resistance lines displayed. The following options are for whether to display these lines or not. If any of them are set to true, that line will be shown. For the pivot point itself, if this option is set to true, it will display the pivot point. This applies to S1, S2, S3, and S4, as well as R1, R2, R3, and R4. Whichever of these are set to true, that line will be displayed. The next options are for the color of these lines, which you can set for each one. The following options are for the style of these lines, so you can choose a different style for each of them. And the next options are for the width of these lines, which you can also set individually for each line. And the last option, if set to true, will display these labels you see on the right side, and if set to false, it won't show them. Now, let's see a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. With the same settings and inputs that were available in MetaTrader 5, you can use it in MetaTrader 4 as well. Now, let's see a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, You can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.